class, write down today's date, 28 August 2020, Thursday, and the day. Chapter 6, Subtraction of Numbers, Exercise 6.8. Today we are going to start Exercise 6.8. So, again in this chapter we are having, again in this exercise we are having word problems. So now the word problems are mixed. Now you have to add as well as subtract. Now you have to figure it out where you have to add and where you have to subtract. Question number 1. Write down the question, put a dash, write down solution. The question is, subtract the sum of 289 and 812 from 3500. So first you have to do the sum. Sum of 289 and 812. Sum means you have to add. Write down the places. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 289, 812. Add them. 9 plus 2, 11. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. 11. So my answer is, my sum of these two numbers is 1101. Now I have to subtract this 1101 from 3500. So again write down the places. Which is the bigger number, 1101 or 3500? 3500. So we will write 3500 on the top and 1101 below. Now we will subtract. So class, 0 minus 1, is it possible? No. We will take borrow. But oops, the tens place is again 0. So the tens place first take borrow from the hundreds place. 5 will become 4, 0 will become 10. Now this place will take borrow from this place. 0 will become 10 and 10 will become 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So, answer is 2399. Okay. Moving on to question number 2. Write down question number 2, put a dash, write down solution. Subtract 216 from the sum of 389 and 1280. So first again you have to find the sum of 389 and 1280. So write down the places. 389 1280. Find their sum, and since nothing is written here, you can write a 0 here. So then 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 6 here, 1 here. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 0 plus 1, 1. So my sum is 1669. Now I have to subtract 216 from 1669. Class, always remember the number that comes after this word from, that is written on the top. Else you can compare that out of 216 and 1669, which is the bigger number. Of course it is 1669. And now I have written down the number, bigger number 1669 and then 216. Now I subtract them. I will subtract them. 9 minus 6, is it possible? Yes. Difference is 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. And 1 will come down as it is. So, 1453 is the answer. Okay, moving on to question number 3. Put a dash. Solution. Subtract the sum of 2132 and 3216 from the sum of 3316 and 2500. Now I am not going to solve this sum. You are going to solve this sum. I am going to tell you the key points how to solve this sum. First you have to find the sum of 2132 and 3216. Here, write down the places, write down the numbers, find the sum. Then this part is done. After that, you again have to find the sum of 3316 and 2500. Now write down the places, write down the numbers and find the sum. After that, after finding these two sums, then you have to find the difference. Write down the places. Difference of what? Difference of these sum. This answer and this answer. You have to find the difference of this answer and this answer. Whichever sum is bigger, write that bigger sum up and the smaller sum down and subtract both the sum and find the difference. So this you have to do here in the class. Everyone take out your copy and start doing this question in the class. So after question number 3, moving to question number 4. Question number 4, write down question number, there is no need of writing down question number 4. Just write down question number 4 and put a blank. Now solution. Tanu bought her uniform for rupees 585 and shoes for rupees 372. She gave rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper. How much money she should get back? So, cost of uniform is equals to rupees 585. Cost of shoes is equals to rupees 372. Total money spent. So how much total money she spent? To find out the total money spent, what I have to do? I have to add. I have to add rupees 585 and rupees 372. Class, don't forget to mention the unit. Write down the places, hundreds, tens, ones, 585 and 372. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 here, 1 will go in the carryover. Now 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So, rupees 957 is spent in shopping or in purchasing uniform and shoes. Then in the question it is said that she has given money given to shopkeeper. Now how much money does she give to the shopkeeper? Rupees 1000. So how much money she get back? For that I have to subtract the 1000 and rupees 957 that is spent on the shopping. So write down the places, 1000, 957 and subtract them. So we will start borrowing from here. This will become 10, this will become 0, this will become 9, this will become 10. Then this will become 10 and this will become 9. Now 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 9, 0 and here 0. So, the name is Tanu, will get back rupees 43. So, Tanu will get back how many money? She will get back rupees 43. So, question number 5, we will put a dash here. Write down solution. There were 702 banana trees in the farm. So, number of banana trees in farm 702. Number of banana trees dried out. So 135 dried out. That means सूख गए. So how many left? So what we will do? We will subtract 7 702 and 135. So write down the places. 702, 135. This will become 10, this will become 6, this will become 9, this will become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 567 trees were left in the farm. Now, more trees planted. How many more trees, class? 325 trees. 325 more trees were planted. Now, total trees in farm. How many total trees are there in the farm now? So, what we will do? We will add 325 and 567. So, write down the places. 3, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7. We will add them. So 5 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. So there are 892 trees in the farm. So now question number 6 that you have to try on your own, class. Write down question number 6, put a dash and do the solution on your own. And later on we will discuss the solution. Now moving to question number 7. Solution 7. By how much is the sum of, first we have to find the sum of 3,892. So let us write down the places first. 3,892. Add them. 3892 is the answer, is the sum. And then you have to find out the difference of the same numbers. Difference of 3,892. Write down the places. 3,892. Now find the difference. Now this will become 2, this will become 10, then this will become 9, this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 8, 1 and 2 will come down as it is. So here we found the sum of these two numbers, here we find out the difference of these two numbers. Now in the question you were asked that how much is the sum is more than this difference. So again you have to find the difference of 3892 because this is the bigger number and 2108. So write down the places. 3892, 2108. Subtract. 2 will become 12, 9 will become 8. 12 minus 8, 4. 8 will come down as it is because 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1784 is the difference. Thank you, class.